Hello, it's Ronnie Yoga Devi coming to you from my home in Leamington, Ontario, Canada. And what I want to speak to you tonight about is something to do with skincare. I've already washed my face and I'm ready for bed. As you can see, it's very dark outside. I'm ready for bed. And what I want to talk to you about today is basic skincare, as well as a continuation on what I was speaking about before, which is massage of the face. I'm having a little bit of an issue with the left side of my throat. Not sure what's going on, but it's a little irritated there. So, the most important thing before you get into any of this massage is to be sure that you're taking good care of your skin. And most people know basic skincare, but not everybody does, so I'm going to cover that off in case somebody doesn't. And good skincare applies to men as well as women. A lot of men have not been introduced to good skincare at all, and that's a sad thing because men's skin is important too. Your skin ages more if you're not taking care of it. If you're taking good care of it, your skin stays younger longer. And, you know, myself, my mom, my dad are a testament to that because nobody believes our ages when we tell them. Even with or without makeup. With makeup especially, they don't. So, the first step to skincare is good products. It's best to buy a whole line of skincare products, which would include a cleanser, which you can buy many types of cleansers. There can be one that you put on that's like a cream and wipes off with a tissue or a wet washcloth. There can be one that has a bit more soapy consistency, which requires more washing and more water. So cleanser is number one. After your cleanser, you need a toner. After you've taken all that cleanser off, you need a toner to prepare the skin to receive a moisturizing product. So that's the third thing, is a moisturizer. If you would like and can afford to do so, buy 2 different creams, one for the day and one for the night. The night cream is usually a bit richer. It's ideal, especially in the winter, to have both a night and a day cream. And depending on your skin, you may even need to change those creams throughout the year. In the summer, you may need a lighter cream during the day than you would in the winter, where you're exposed to more wind and all that, at least in this part of the world. Might be opposite if you, say, live in Australia and it's really hot in the summer and you're exposed more to the elements. So, cleanser, toner, moisturizer, day or night cream, and if you can, you could also invest in something like a mask or a scrub, and these things are used about once a week. You can also use in between your toner and your moisturizer, you can also use something to feed the skin nutrients. They come in a variety of different products, but usually it's some sort of a nourishing product. They can be in vials, and for a short period of time you use them, or you can buy a product that you can use on an ongoing basis to nourish the skin. An example might be a hyaluronic acid product that helps to moisturize the skin on a deep level, on a cellular level. So that's that about skincare products. It's important to know your skin type as well. If you don't know your skin type, go for a facial, and the esthetician will use the products that are appropriate for your skin type after doing an in-depth analysis of how your skin behaves and how it feels and how it responds and what you've been using, that sort of thing. So an esthetician can be very helpful to help you determine what your skin type is, what you should be using, and when. So if you need guidance on that, you can go to an esthetician, and they can help you with that. But your at home is as important as going to an esthetician. I believe you should have a facial at least every 3 months and do mini facials at home once a month or more often if you'd like. I also believe you should be doing some massage at home. Some people do more than others because they know more about it and because they see the response that they get from doing some massage at home. All massage should be done with an ample amount of cream on the face or with oil on the face. Never ever try to massage your face without ample product on your face, or you'd be pulling at and stretching the skin, which isn't healthy for it. Got hiccups all of a sudden. So we talked about Gua Sha, and so I was going to show you one type of Gua Sha. I have about 3 or 4 of them, and they're all over. The one is in my makeup bag, one is at my boyfriend's house, and then one is here. So this is an edge that can be used on certain places on the face, like here. I'm not going to really press, but you hold, when you use it, you hold the skin steady so that you are not pulling it too much, and you would pull across here. Do that about 10 times. But that's one of the things that I do for this area. You can also use this edge for doing something like your neck. I'm not going to do it, but to give you an idea, do your neck. That's very important to do the neck so you don't have any crepitus and your neck looks nice and healthy and does not give away your age. Because if you're going to take care of your face, you also want to take care of your neck. And that includes your skincare. So when you wash your face, you also wash your neck. And you also put cream on your neck so that it stays nice. A lot of people don't know that, so they think that their face stops here. It doesn't. Your neck is a part of your face. So, Gua Sha can be used for massage, and also you can use lots of other tools. This is a tool that comes from India, and it's made of about 3 different types of metals, this head on it, and it balances out the chemistry of your skin as well as provides a very nice massage, and it's cool to the skin. You also want to have some product on your skin. They recommend oil, but you can use cream too. There's enough cream on my skin for this, but not enough for the Gua Sha. Gua Sha is harder. One of the things that they say is to always go into spaces in your face where there's an indent with this first. And you can massage right here. And there is often some tension there. And here too, there's often some tension right here. But it's really, really a nice tool. I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but if I remember, I'll stick it on the video. They have to be stored in a bag that they come in, otherwise this gets damaged. And after a use, you always want to wipe it off with a cleansing cloth, damp ideally. I didn't just use it thoroughly, I just, like that, so I'm just going to wipe it off this way. The bag that it comes in is just a small cotton bag, and then I put it inside of another bag. This is an actual cleansing product that comes from one of the cosmetic companies. It's fantastic. It's a cleansing it's a it's it's a special product which I can't really explain all that well because I hadn't really thought about explaining it before I went online. Um, it takes makeup off. It cleanses the face without any product whatsoever. And that was the other thing I meant to talk about. Now I'm remembering. When you cleanse the face, especially if you have oily skin or sensitive skin and small pores, you really should cleanse your face twice. And that doesn't mean scrub it while hard. That means have two cleansers. Have one like a micellar water cleanser that you do first, and then do your cleanser, and then do your toner. That works a lot better to more deeply cleanse the skin without overdoing it, kind of thing. But especially if you wear makeup or you are physically active and you're sweating a lot, you want to cleanse that skin twice. Not in the morning, just in the evening at the end of the day when you really need to remove the effects of the day. Makeup and oil and sweat and whatever has gotten onto your skin during the course of the day. So, skincare 101 with Rani Yoga Devi. I just think that skincare is so important, and that massage plays a really, really, really important role in keeping your skin looking really, really good, especially as you get older. When you're younger, not so much, but I would say by the time you hit your 40s, you should be doing a regular facial massage. I think I was doing one from about my 40s. I was doing a facial massage. I try to do facial massage at least once a day. And I do one that was given to me by one of my mother's teachers, and my mother is an esthetician. And she is also a reflexologist and a reflex therapist, but she does a lot of reflexology in her facials. So that's where I get a lot of my knowledge from. So I guess that's about all for now. I am going to be heading to Stratford, Ontario to see some plays with my mom tomorrow morning. And I guess I'll check in with you about how that went too. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take good care of yourselves. Rani Yoga Devi signing off. Bye-bye for now.